Hello everyone, so here are 3 ways to style our Bei Mondlicht box, which is a lovely white, crisp, fresh arrangement. So we're going to start in our classic vase and we want to fill it about a third full with room temperature water, pop in your flower food and give it a stir, and then create a nest with your foliage called pistache around the edge, and then add in some of the fluffy limonium into the middle. And then using this nest, I'm now standing my alstroemeria upright a little more centrally. In goes some Baubley hypericum, which is a lovely kind of cream colour, and then some tall snapdragons, which will go upright in the middle. And then in the very middle, we're going to pop in these lilies, which will arrive closed but open over the course of a few days. Very pretty. Now onto the flower frog, and we're going to fill a very shallow vessel, or just a shallow vessel, covering the flower frog with water. And then the key principle we're trying to achieve is something that looks good from the front and is a bit more asymmetrical and sculptural. So I'm starting with 2 of my lily heads, which are now open at different heights. Then I'm creating a bit of a line off to the top right, as you can see, with the antirrhinum and pistache foliage, and then balancing that a little bit on the bottom left with some limonium. So a little bit different, but looks great. So now onto my bud vases, and I've got 2 stainless steel bud vases here. And because I've just got 2, I'm actually going to create 2 different styles. So I'm going to use just a lily in one, and then in the other, I've got some pistache foliage and hypericum. And you just want to make sure that your flowers are trimmed to slightly different heights. And I'm putting some limonium into that one as well. Very pretty.